Trina. Those of you that know my hair know that for me to get a curl, well, it's impossible, so I gave up like 20 years ago, but I put oil in it, which you'll see. So I'm gonna stick with my favorite, Moremo. It is a sulfate, but it's gentle and it's Korean and it's like my favorite. So let's do it. Since I have color, this is not my natural color at the roots. It's naturally like white. Using tepid water, Moremo shampoo. Don't need a lot at all. I had 1 pump and a little bit more, so like 1 1/4. Then you emulsify in your hands until your hands are white. Well, for me, whiter than usual. And then you go and massage your scalp. I'm not used to doing this, but I guess I have to wash this oil out of my hair. Okay, so next is, of course, I let my hair get a little dry. Even though they don't tell you to do that, it's just something I do. Here comes the, well, yeah, let's do this one first. Oh, yes, here's the cap. There's the cap. Okay, so, watch. Liquid coming out. It's clear liquid. It's kind of like a water consistency. But now I'm going to do this. I used too much. But it's still working. And that's how you're supposed to go in with it. So this is amazing for the scalp. And as you can see, I massage it deeply into the scalp for a good few minutes. So as you can see, I'm getting every little inch of my scalp. Sometimes people neglect behind the ear and just different areas. Make sure you got it all. So now I'm washing that Moremo out of my hair. And now my scalp is moisturized, clean, everything. No, I want you guys to see what the 2X does. Okay, so this is the 2X. And I don't do the ends yet, because as long-haired people know, it takes a long time to move from here to there. So I just hang out. I usually have the music on, so I'm dancing and singing usually. So I'm just wringing it. Not wringing it out, that's twisting, but I'm just going little by little, and look at all that water that just came out. Okay, so now we're going to hit the ends. where we really need it. And I'll be back in a few. Oh, first, forgot to say, when we use number 2, even the old-fashioned 80s duck cloth, duck beak, whatever the hell we would just call it a clip. So the clip is in my hair, and one is enough. Yep, there's the tests. When I use a wet brush, I'm so tempted to go up here and be like, you know, like go in, that I think it causes less breakage for me personally if I just do little pieces with the wide tooth comb like I always did. Because hot water equals color loss. So I will see you when the results are, when my hair is dry. Bye.